Exclamation, everybody, and welcome to A equals B. It is by Artless Games and is scheduled for some sort of release come this quarter of this year. And anyone who's followed the channel for a little bit of time knows that uh, I tend to like me some of these programming puzzle games, and very interested to see how this goes. I believe it looks like to me there's only two chapters right now: A equals B and a new keyword. So that's all we have right now in the demo that is available. Now, this demo originally came out during the Steam Next Fest, but it looks like it's still available for anyone to download and take a look at, which is rather nice. So you should hopefully be able to see the same thing I'm seeing at some point in the future. But I am still going to time box this to about, I'd say, 30 minutes and see what we can see with this game. And that 30 minutes starts right now. All right, A to B. So, welcome to A equals B, or pronounced as A to B. A minimal programming language designed for string handling. The only instruction of this language is string 1 equals string 2, which means find the leftmost string 1 in the sequence and replace it with string 2. When the program runs, it will try to match the left string of each instruction. Try to match the left string of each instruction from the first one to the last. And the instruction is executed. The program jumps back to the beginning, otherwise the program ends. Each line must contain 0 or 1 instruction equals and pound or reserve. It can't be used as part of the string. Each instruction must contain exactly an equal sign, and pound symbol represents the commentary. All characters that are ignored. So leftmost string in string 1, the sequence and replace with string 2. Okay, so it's the string manipulation. Okay. So example there. So A to B. Input a string of A, B, and C. Place each A with, okay. So A equals B. All right. And then run it. Cool. Simple enough. All right. So got the next one. Uppercase. A string of A, B, and C. Replace each letter with its uppercase. Okay. So A equals A, B, E, C. Okay. Cool. Go. Accept it. Singleton. Input a string of A, B, and C. Replace consecutive letters with a single letter. Okay. So, letters with a single letter. There's one that's got 3 C's, right? How would you know that it's a single letter if you don't have any looping thing? Let me think here. So, these consecutive letters with single. That the only couple with like 3 C's with one. 3 C's there. One has 2 C's. Anything with Hmm, all right. A equals B, 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 C. Right. C. Maybe. Maybe. Um. Okay. Well, that worked. That was a little bit weird. All right. Singleton 2. So remove consecutive A. Yeah. Got three A's and got. All right. Uh. A. Right. What? Remove consecutive. Oh. So you only want. Oh, you want them removed entirely. Ah. Okay. Um. That. Case 5 A B. Okay. Okay. Wait. Not. A, B, and C. Remove consecutive A's. If this test case is A, B, B, the output should be A, B, right? Because it's not a consecutive A. Uh, that's. Oh, wait. Here. Test case 5 input. Oh, it's A. So it's 4A. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5. Hmm. Yeah. Better way of doing that, right? But I mean, there's only one instruction in the whole language, which is kind of weird. This, I guess. 1, 2, 6. Right. Like, because really, I should be able to do like AA equals A, right? Gets it down to 1A. Yeah, really, this should be like this, right? AA equals A, and then A. Well, no, it'd have to be AAA, A, AA, that, right? But then when you have a three, when you have three, those. Um, but if I were to change the A to something else, right? Like every consecutive two A's to some other letter, it would weird. I do this. What do I? I get an extra A in places where there's 3A, right? Hmm. They really want you to like iterate out. I can't believe that the whole thing here is that they want you to iterate out every one of those things, right? 'Cause I feel like there's got to be a gimmick here. Otherwise, this is a really lame puzzle game, right? Like it just seems like there's got to be some kind of catch here somewhere. Um, if I so takes the first instance of something, changes first instance of something, changes. So if I were to do this and then say CA was nothing, right? And Z, you don't want any Z. Yeah, yeah. See, I figured there had to be some kind of gimmick there. You can do it in like less instructions. Thing is here though, and this is kind of something I've um come to expect in games like this. They don't tell you. They don't have like a leaderboard thing that tells you how well you've done. Like how like did I hit the par amount of things of instructions? You know what I mean? Like the this should happen in 3 instructions, and and then you can kind of and then you have a reason to go back and like try again, right? It feels a lot of these games have that, and it feels very absent here because otherwise you're just kind of doing this, and then you're not really sure if you did it the best way you could do it or not. You know what I mean? More. So string of A and B, number of A and B are different. The most common letter. Uh, the common letter. The hell? Okay. So most common letter. So hmm. So basically, you would have. I mean, if there was an odd number of letters, then I could just do AA, this, B equals that, um, and just work because you'd have an odd man out. But then if you had an odd number of both A's and wouldn't work too. Uh, would you the most common letter? And actually, the first input has each number of letters, so it wouldn't work. Um, So number of A and B and I equals nothing. Yeah, nothing. A, A, B. That it does. So basically, what I did was I said whenever there's a boundary between A and B, get rid of those, and then if there's any duplicates left, set down to one. There, hmm. I feel like that shouldn't have worked, and yet apparently did. So hey, go me, I guess. Sort. We have A, B, and C. Sort the string in alphabetical order. Oof. All right. Well, I mean, the only way you're going to do that. So, the only way you're going to do that is by swapping places. I mean, basically, you're doing a bubble sort, right? So it would be um, BA equals AB, CA equals AC, BC, oops, BB equals BC. All right, so it's BAC. I think I got all the boundaries right. B and A, C and A, C and B, C and A. B. Oh wait, I already did that. And A. Wait, I get all the combinations. B and A. Wait, A, B, and C, right? E before A, E before A, before B, right? And then everything else would be is just order. Okay, that, yeah, yeah, there we go. Okay, I mean that one was pretty straightforward given all the other ones. Um, but yeah, I mean that's basically a bubble sort at that point. Programmers, every programmer who's done anything like in college programming have done bubble sorts at some point in time. So these aren't checked off. I wonder why that is. I didn't get the best thing I could have gotten. I don't know. Like these are slashed off. These are not. Weird. So I don't know what that means. A new keyword. Okay, hello. String of A, B, and C. Output hello world. Oh. A new feature keyword. Parentheses are now reserved. Pair brackets can only be used before the left or right string. First keyword is return. String 1 equals return string 2. This expression means when string 1 is matched, halt the program and replace the entire sequence with string 2. Keyword return can only modify the right side. Oh. So they are introducing new. Okay. So basically they regardless of what's on the one side, they just want you to return hello. Okay. So A equals return hello world. All right. Okay. That one didn't get scratched off either. Two. Did I not do it optimally? I'm assuming if I scratch it scratched off, I did it optimally. I don't know. Maybe that means something else. They don't really explain it here. Triple A. String of A, B, and C return true if the input contains at least 3 A. Otherwise, return false. Okay. So I can sort thing. Make A's go to the front. Basically, I can sort it so that all the A's are together. Wait. Yeah, we'll sort so that all the A's are together. And then we'll just do A return return. How do you do otherwise return? That's I guess it's just AA equals return false. A equals return false, probably. Now, of course, there's one that doesn't have any A's in it. So, well, drop now, I think, because it's going to probably hit off on all of them. No, it's defeated. Oh, as soon as it hits a return, it's actually literally returning, which I wasn't sure about. So, challenge. Here's the challenge. Most 4 lines. Okay. 4 lines. So, I don't need to sort the C and D. Yeah, I don't need to sort C and D. Do that. How do you do a? If I don't put anything on the other side of that, does that work? Is it, okay, so I don't have to put a letter on the other side, which they didn't specify. I don't think. So, okay. Then I did that challenge then in 4 things. So that's what it is. So there's a challenge here at most 1 line. That's what. Oh, okay. 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 So want an output of lower. Okay. So then I just have to do this then. Okay. That explains. So then over here, at most 3 lines, they want. Right. So I didn't notice that. So String of A, B, and C. Replace consecutive letters with a single letter. So is this that three banger there? Did I really need that? No, I didn't. Okay, that explains that. Then this one, at most 2 lines. So remove consecutive A. So I need this line here. Yes, I did. Okay. Most 2 lines. So hmm, in just 2 lines, remove consecutive. Let me think here. Um, yeah, there's not. If I do this, not start it there. Um, this right, which would put another A in there. Yeah. Yeah. Um, that, yeah, see, there's still like move consecutive. Got uh, okay. Well, that one's a little bit trickier. Let's see remainder here. String of A, B, and C. Divide the length of the string by 3 and output the remainder. Divide the length of the string by 3, output the remainder. Okay. Hmm. Remainder. Haven't. I assume I can do infinite stuff, right? Hmm. I am stumped on that one. You have A, B, and C. What's the challenge? There is no challenge. Yeah, I'm a little bit stumped here because it feels like there should be another keyword. At least have said, hey, you can add things. How would I? Like it doesn't tell me how to get the length of the string, right? So, which feels like it's got to be a function here. So, I wonder if no. Equals like length divided by 3. Tell me, it'll probably tell me it's not a keyword. This feels like it's. I feel like I'm missing up here. So, like there should be something else that like another keyword or something. I can't think of like because you would have to do. I mean, the only way that I could think to do that is if A, B, and C, if you treated them as binary numbers, and then based on based on where you got in the binary number, you have to divide that twice, right? I don't even think you can get that. You have to know the length of it. Like you can't just do one. You have to, like if A was 10 and B was 100 and C was 1,000, you would still have to divide. Yeah, that's weird. That's I don't think I can that one's got me uh flummoxed right now. But that, my friends, has been A equals B. It is, or A to B, I should say. Um, it is a free demo right now out on Steam. It's out as of this recording. Hopefully, it continues to be out there. It's by Artless Games. It is scheduled for a Q4 2021 release of some kind, whether it's a full release or an early access. I'm not sure. As always, I will leave links down in the description so you can do your own due diligence. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you next time.